This is dangerous activity right now. I have everything in here today. I am ready. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you my favorite 5-minute glowy makeup. This is when you need to get in and get out and look fresh, dewy, and hydrated. This makeup is great for a dry skin type, but if you just wanna look glowy no matter what your skin type is, this is perfect because it's easy, it's to the point, and you are going to look fresh all day. Also, the products that I'm using actually have skincare benefits in them. Also sharing a hack that I've never talked about, and we need to talk about it in this video. I have it just for you right now. So if you wanna see how I got this look, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be part of the Dom fam. And without further ado, let's get into this video. Most essential part to a glowy makeup is the glowy base. So I'm gonna start off with prepping and protecting my skin. I'm using the Tone Up Waterfull Sunscreen. This product is amazing for dry skin. It hydrates while evening out your skin tone, and it has SPF 50. This is the pink corrector, so it's going to blend into the skin, but I love that you can use this as a primer and a sunscreen. I love multifunctional products. It's also so lightweight on the skin. It corrects any uneven skin tone, doesn't peel under makeup. I'm gonna put it on my eyelids because I have a lot of uneven skin right there. If you guys have been following my makeup tutorials for a while, you know how much I love the First Spray Serum. So I am so grateful to be working with them in the portion of this video. And this partnership just makes me so happy. And this is so nice because it's a skincare product and a primer and a sunscreen all in one, and it also just brightens up the skin. This is a pink corrector, so if you're looking to brighten up your skin a bit more, make it look a little bit more even, this is gonna be a great product for you. The key to keeping your skin so incredibly glowy is the First Spray Serum that I have been using. I actually used it in one of my other videos where it was like to here, and I use it to the last drop because it's a lifesaver for dry skin. Now I'm gonna shake it up so we mix up the oil and the serum, and I'm gonna use it in a slightly different way in this video. Instead of spraying it onto my face, which you can do and I love doing, I'm actually gonna show you a tip. So before I go in with my foundation or my concealer, I'm gonna spritz this on my sponge. That way I get the benefits and the anti-aging properties, the moisture lock-in all into my product. So I'm gonna be using the TirTir Mask Fit Red Cushion foundation. I like this one because it does have a glowy finish to it, but it is full coverage. Now you're gonna see that this is a little bit more tan just because my body honestly is so much more tan than my face. So it actually works out for me. But having a glowy base like this before you go in with your glowy skin tint or foundation is essential to really having that glowy, healthy skin last all throughout the day. The base is so important. Literally matches my whole body, but not my face. And we have the pink corrector on, so it is brightening everything a little bit more, which is gonna look great under this. And I'm gonna go over my eyelids with this foundation. It's also gonna help everything blend into your skin a lot more seamlessly and really help the benefits of the serum spray sink into the skin. Look at how even and glowy my face is now, and it's because we have that base there. Going in with my concealer next, I'm gonna go in with a cream blush because it helps to color correct. So I'm in between these two shades right now. These are the new cream blushes from Patrick Ta. This is She Goes to the Gym, and this one is She Left Me on Red. I love a good red blush, but I'm trying to decide. I'm gonna go with this one just because we're gonna do... Red might scare you guys, basically. So I'm gonna do this one, put it on my under eyes. So I'm gonna take it underneath and go out. Okay, that was a really bad lay down. I like doing this underneath concealer because I feel like it really does help brighten even more the under eye. And Patrick Ta has a really nice pigmented blush. Might look crazy at first, but trust me, it'll work out in the end. I'm gonna take it across my nose. And you're gonna notice that this video is way longer than 5 minutes, but without talking and me explaining every little step, this is going to take you 5 minutes. Run it across your eyelids because you don't have to do eyeshadow, and it gives dimension, it gives a little life in that area. So I'm gonna take it around my forehead, kind of like the 80s kind of draping effect. And you can use one brush to do all of this really quick. With every step of this tutorial, I'm actually gonna put this in to my sponge. It softens everything up and it also makes it even more glowy.
Oh, never mind, I'm leaving it.
Okay, now I'm gonna go in with concealer. This is the Dominique Oat Milk Concealer. I love doing the blush underneath. I feel like it actually does make a difference, but just go in where you need it. Anywhere you feel like you need a little lift, a little brightening, and that's usually in the middle of the face. Spritz it. I want you to try it, and then I want you to tell me how you feel about your makeup afterwards. And also just diffuses your makeup into your skin so much better. The skin is looking so good. We're so glowy. We have a little bit of life. For my contour, I'm just gonna go in with this Fenty Mocha matchstick. This is a mini, so it's a little tinier. And I think it's perfect for the nose area. I'm just gonna go in and do these little spots right here. You don't have to do this, but I just like to add a little bit of symmetry to my face. And I'm blending it in with one of my concealer brushes. And if this is not taking you 5 minutes, don't do it. If you're like, you know what, that's too much for me. For me, it takes me 5 minutes, and I have a very symmetrical lifted nose with this contour. Personal preference, really. The face is ready. You can't call it a glowy makeup without actual glow. So I have this from Natasha. It's the Skincare Infused Glow Beautifier. Anything with skincare in my makeup, I'm all about it. But, oh shoot, I just dug my nail in it. Why do I do this? Ugh, it's literally in there, girl. I have to extract it somehow. I don't know if this is cream or powder. It feels like a cream to powder, or maybe a mixture of both. Pop it onto the high points of your face. I'm just gonna take it all around like a C. Ooh, that is so pretty. It gives a softer, diffused type of highlight on your face. I want to look glowy. Not greasy, but glowy. It's so pretty, it's soft. This formula is actually really beautiful, so if you haven't tried the Natasha highlights, they're gorgeous. This is the shade Light 01, so the lightest shade that they have. To keep the glowy vibes going, I'm just gonna take a little bit of this Patrick Ta eyeshadow. Major Dimension, We Need Better Lighting. The names of his products are always so fun to read. So I'm gonna take this shade up here. Very, very pretty. It's giving wet. Like, it just gives, it looks like you have a little bit of a dew on your face or on your eyelid, and I love that look. So I'm gonna take a little bit on the center of my lid, and I'm also gonna take it on the inner corners. This is a beautiful topper type of eyeshadow. It's not like a shimmer. It's wet, dewy diamonds on your face. It's similar to the Too Faced Disco Crush. I love that one. It's my new favorite for 2025. This one is good too though. It's really beautiful. Love the formula. If you want a little bit more glow, you could put it underneath your eyes. I don't know, I love it. So I'm gonna take this mascara that I've been loving lately from Maybelline. It's Sky High. This mascara is amazing. Let me just show you right now. If you're looking for a good drugstore mascara, this one is definitely such a good buy. Look at that. Bambi. This is dangerous activity right now. I don't know why I'm doing this without a mirror. The lashes are looking good, but it does need a little bit more lift, so I'm gonna add my favorite. These are the I Envy Press and Go lashes. Just like 2 of them on the corners. I just freaking love these lashes. Do this in seconds. So these are a little longer, I'm not gonna lie. I need to go buy more. I'm just hanging on to these little last styles that I have. But all you do is pop it underneath your lash. You don't have to worry about gluing them. There's glue already on them. And when you're ready to take them off, they just come off so easy, you don't even feel it. Okay, these long ones look a little crazy. Let's see if I add more, if it looks normal. Okay, you have to have the right size for your eyeball, because this is insane. This looks crazy. Never mind. I also have these press-ons from Ardell. They're called Winks. We're gonna do it like this. I have to unfortunately throw all these away because they look crazy. That was the 16 millimeters and they were just way too long, so I'm gonna let them go. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of this bronzer. It's my favorite bronzer right now. It's from YSL. I'm just gonna take a little bit on the lower lash. What do you call this? Lower lash? We're gonna take this right underneath the waterline. I don't know what to call this right now, but you see what I'm doing, right? It just adds a little definition, and it also, I don't know what it does. It just makes it look good. For the lips, I'm gonna go in with this L'Oreal Color Riche Worth It lip liner. Oh my gosh, this color is so pretty. It's giving Pillow Talk from Charlotte Tilbury. It's really, really nice. See how natural that is? It's like your lip, but a little pinker and better. Do you see how natural that is? For me, I'm just adding a little bit of balance to my lip. I'm gonna use a lipstick. This is the Worth It lipstick. It matches, it's from L'Oreal. I'm gonna have that over. It's so natural and pretty. And that is my completed 5-minute glowy makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I promise you it'll take you 5 minutes. If you weren't just hanging out with me and I was explaining everything, I promise you 5 minutes. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. If you missed these 2 videos below, make sure to check them out. If you're not subscribed to my channel, be sure to subscribe right now so we can be friends and hang out every single week, talk about makeup. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I just want to remind you guys before I leave to know that you are actually doing your best you can right now in your life, and I'm so proud of you. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys. I told you all my favorite glowy stuff, but you need to tell me yours, so please comment below what your favorite glowy base is. I need to know.